Hey guys, Dan here again, and yeah, today I'll be doing a special challenge using my S5 right there. I'll let you know what it is very soon. See ya. We're on the way to Saint-Sulpice, and that's the church. So I'll be doing a photo walk with a group of people that I would normally do photo walk with, and voila, that's the church. It's quite big, and there you go. I see the people right there by the fountain, and I'll be going on my way there to meet them. Just nice, the bell rang. It's 11 o'clock right now here. 11 o'clock in the morning, of course. Seems like it's going to rain, so I've got my umbrella with me as well, and I'm meeting the group. Trying to emulate the style of Vivian Maier, so I tried to make my camera as Rolleiflex as possible. So yeah, photo style in black and white, and then format in 1:1. Testing. All right, not bad. Maybe let's try another one. Yep. Okay, let's try with this one as well. 1, 2, and 3. All right, not bad. Let's go. So the hardest part about shooting Vivian Maier style with a camera like this is this part. It always tend to tilt a lot, and you can't exactly, you have to hold it like this all the time, and yeah, I think that makes up the challenge, but it's quite inconvenient, to be honest, but we'll have to do with that. Otherwise, there's a camera like the Fujifilm X-T5 that's tilts right in the middle, like here, not here, I'm talking about like here, right? I think it's better, but you just have to make do with what you have, and this looks like it's not bad. Yeah, I just thought of something very interesting. I could shoot like this, since I'm shooting on a square format, right? Doesn't matter if it's portrait or landscape. Shoot like this, it seems like I have a better control from over the top. So yeah, I'm gonna do something about the strap, but I'll figure it out in a bit. Alright, so I basically gave up shooting like this because it tilts all the time because of this, this section. What I'm doing now is that I shoot like this, right? I think like this is better. I'm holding it much, the holding is it's way much more comfortable for me. Yeah, it's a bit of a hassle, but I think it's better. Let's see how much improvement I make by shooting this way. Let's go. So for your information, I've tried to shoot manual as well, but just too much of a hassle. So I'm just gonna use autofocus for now, and just just try to feel how it feels like shooting like this for now. In the future, maybe I'll try to do manual focus with this setup, but for now, let's just enjoy the amazing technology of autofocus. Yep, it's still raining, but it's better than the last vlog that I did. Anyhow, it's not gonna get any better in the next couple of days, I think. Hopefully we're gonna get to see some more sun, but in the meanwhile it's okay, you know, just shoot some more black and whites. Abandoned ship, abandoned ship. Yep, abandoned ship again. Alright, so it actually rained really heavily afterwards, and yeah, here are some of the shots that I managed to get from the photo walk with the group at Jardin du Luxembourg. Enjoy and sit tight, there's still something coming up right after this. Hey folks, another day here with Dan Umareta. I'm going to a special event. It's the Paris Carnival. Now, just previously, as you saw, I was having a hard time doing the Vivian Maier challenge and had to stop because it started raining. I'm going to do it now again. I'm going to continue the challenge by myself this time at this carnival, and yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. Let's go! I thought to just share a little bit about the carnival. It's an annual thing in Paris. Start off at Gambetta, all the way to Belleville, part of Belleville, and then it ends at Republic. So yeah, I always got myself some good shots, and I'll show you right now some of the shots I took last year. I think you can kind of start hearing the drums, so I'm very nearby. I hope I could still get some glimpse of behind the scenes preparations. I'm a bit late because of the rain, obviously, but yeah, let's go enjoy. Yep, so looks like I missed out on the behind the scenes preparation. They've already begun. Well, let's just go enjoy. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not sure, but the groups seem smaller. I want to go up front because that's where the most exciting parade is at. More than just drums, but also some South American cultures, dances, and things like that. Let's go!
Lo mejor de divorciarse, sí, otra vez.
Yup, the GoPro literally froze. Maybe because of the rain or simply used it too long. Anyway, here are the photos I took during the carnival. Let me know how I fared with this challenge. It wasn't easy to shoot square format with so much movement, but a challenge is a challenge, and there are definitely rooms for improvement. Oh yeah, do remember to like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be uploading regularly now. Anything about Paris and photography. Feel free to check my Instagram and most importantly, my website to see my photograph, umareta.picfair.com. Until next time, au revoir!